What's up guys, welcome back to this channel and for another parcel to be unboxed. We got this from experttoys.ph, who's selling collectibles like diecast and figures. So guys, if you're into buying pre-love items, just follow their page and check their posts for their items for sale. Alright, so what we have here, this is another excavator. This is a Northcott brand at 1:50 scale. So pre-love lang tong item guys. May missing part to. So based sa initial inspection, ang missing sa kanya isang track link. And kinuha na rin natin guys kasi I have something in mind kung anong gagawin dito. Maybe papalitan na lang natin siya ng rubber trackpad. Yeah, so let's dive into it. Ito na siya. Open na natin. Meron na ako netong 1:64 and I'm glad na nakakuha tayo sa 1:50 scale na Northcott brand. Yan, disclaimer lang guys, pre-love lang to. Based sa initial inspection, okay pa yung condition niya. Yun lang talaga, missing isang track link. Very safe naman yung package nila. Thank you sa experttoys.ph para sa item na to. So this is the Caterpillar 330DL by Northcott at 1:50 scale. For the material used in this toy, lahat na nakikita nyong yellow is diecast metal. Dito sa arm, all the way to the bucket. Ang plastic sa kanya, itong mga cylinder jacket. Plastic itong buong cabin. And clear plastic yung windshield and side windows. Sa side na to may logo dito ng CAT. Tapos yung model niya. Dito sa track base, diecast metal siya guys. Plastic lang itong mga roller. At the back, may malaking CAT logo. Diecast to including this part. On the other side, diecast itong grab bar, then plastic itong side mirror. And yung mga Northcott na ganito, metal track link sila lahat guys. And yun ang issue nito, missing yung isang part. So ang gagawin na lang natin, papalitan na lang natin siya ng rubber track para mukha pa rin naman siyang decent. And for the markings at the bottom, ito yung markings niya. Northcott Group Inc. 1:50. Okay, let's have a quick dim check sa Northcott na to. Let's check the weight. So yun yung weight niya, 456 grams. And for the size comparison, meron din akong ganitong Northcott brand din, pero 1:64 scale. Ang model nito, this is a 385CL, mas large version ng mga excavator. Okay, so ang difference ng Northcott na 1:64 saka 1:50, mas detailed itong 1:50. Meron na siyang mga ganito, hydraulic lines, na hindi mo makikita sa mga 1:64 scale. Na-minodify lang natin to kaya nilagyan natin siya ng hydraulic lines. Galing sa ibang excavator. Okay, so that's much of it guys. If you like more of this diecast product review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. Subscribe guys for more. So I'll see you for the upcoming videos and goodbye. In the dark where shadows lie, feel the monster.